what better to go with my Model 3 performance badge than... Yeah, that's a puddle light. Check it out. Performance Model 3 puddle light. That is really nice. That really stands out. I like it. These come from EVBase. All the links are below. Discount code is TeslaMark. That is going to save you the most amount of money and works in all the best places. All right, just got my new puddle lights in here from EVBase. Can't wait to get these suckers put on. All right, this is good. I like to see some heat sink action on here because these LEDs, you know, they're a little powerful and they develop some heat. So, yeah, all right, let's get these on the car. All right, I've already got a pretty cool puddle light in here now, but this one I'm gonna like even more. These just basically get something in here and pry them out. You got to push these tabs in one way or another, and you know, you'll figure it out. Okay, the worst part about this is that these can be like really short, like this. It's so short, you kind of, it's hard to get a hold of them to take. So yeah, you can see it's difficult to get a hold of this thing. Look how far up that is. So I'm going to get some needle nose pliers because you know, you can't hold on to this and plug things in. That's the hardest part about this. All right, so this is the most difficult part by far. You've got to match up the tab, this locking tab with the side, with this side here, the locking tab, and then you really got to hold on to that. All right, here we're lit up now. And you know, my previous model, it was a little bit short, but I don't know, it had like half a centimeter more, 1 centimeter more, and it made a big difference. So, okay, now what is a good idea to do is display it on the ground before you lock it in, because sometimes there's a direction to it. This one, I don't think there's a direction to it really, so it doesn't matter. But anyway, it's always a good idea to just check that out first. You don't want it to be upside down. Not a big deal. Pop it out, flip it around, put it around. You know, anyway, you get what I'm saying.